Airbus A330 heading to Los Angeles. I think I was wrong about the other two planes, but heading to Los Angeles. More info, new livery. Check on flight radar, just taking off from Dublin Airport. Just coming right beside. Such a big plane, really close. Very close. Indeed. Indeed, very close. Plane spotting. I really love planes, guys. Anyway, subscribe to this YouTube channel. He's basically like the guy who started airplanes on YouTube, Swiss001. Alright, gonna make a new video soon. See what next plane is coming. I'll check on flight radar and then I'll film. Okay, bye.